Are you plagued by persistent joint pain that nags you every morning or even while enjoying a favorite meal? If you're yearning for a life free from discomfort, with fluid movements and a refreshed spirit, I'm here to guide you through these challenges and launch a new journey to vibrant health. Welcome to Bon Elderly Wisdom. I'm Bon, not a doctor, not a flamboyant expert, but a dedicated explorer sharing practical health solutions for seniors. Through years of research, observing loved ones, and hands-on experience, I've distilled simple, science-backed methods to help you live healthier, more confident, and fuller lives. Today, I'm revealing 10 nutrient-rich foods that quietly worsen arthritis daily, helping you identify and avoid them while suggesting alternatives to ease pain, boost joint health, and restore energy. I'll break down each food, explain its impact, offer easy ways to adjust your diet, and share an inspiring story of someone who regained comfort through these changes. At the end, you'll receive a free ebook collection to support your health journey, healthy vegan recipes, nutritious and easy to prepare, nutrition handbook for seniors and families, emergency first aid guide, properly executed, herbal medicine handbook with natural remedies, ready to ease joint pain and thrive. Let's get started. Imagine waking up with stiff, achy joints, every step accompanied by discomfort, or worrying because arthritis limits your favorite activities like gardening, walking, or playing with grandkids. You may have tried medications or lifestyle changes, but the pain persists. This is the reality millions of seniors in the U.S. face. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 50% of people over 60 deal with joint issues, such as rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes that some common foods, despite being nutrient-rich, can trigger inflammation and worsen joint symptoms. Modern diets loaded with processed foods like pastries or fried snacks only aggravate arthritis. Common challenges include joint pain and stiffness. Inflammation restricts movement, causing discomfort. Fatigue from inflammation drains your energy, dimming your joy. Long-term joint damage. Chronic inflammation erodes cartilage, prolonging pain. Limited activities. Joint pain hinders your ability to enjoy life. If you're experiencing these issues, you're not alone. Millions of seniors are seeking ways to reduce joint pain for a more comfortable life. The great news: by identifying and avoiding 10 foods that worsen arthritis and choosing better alternatives, you can reduce pain, improve mobility, and rediscover your zest for life. Let's uncover these foods and their replacements. Before diving into the list, let's understand why these foods matter. Some nutrient-rich foods can spark inflammation, intensifying arthritis symptoms. As you age, your body becomes more sensitive to inflammatory triggers, requiring a carefully crafted diet to protect joints and ease pain. These 10 foods are highlighted as common culprits, and I'll suggest alternatives to support joint health. Biological benefits. As we age, chronic inflammation rises, damaging joints and cartilage. Foods to avoid fuel inflammation, while replacements soothe pain. Inflammatory foods, sugar, trans fats, increase cytokines, worsening arthritis. Per the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, omega-3 rich replacement salmon, chia seeds, reduce inflammation by 20%, supporting joints. Per the American Heart Association, antioxidants blueberries, kale, protect cartilage and reduce inflammation. Per Harvard University research, fiber quinoa, lentils, improves digestion and reduces inflammation. Per the American Diabetes Association, Environmental factors. Modern lifestyles exacerbate arthritis. Processed foods with sugar and trans fats, like cookies or fried foods, trigger inflammation. Stress and low physical activity amplify inflammation, worsening joint pain. Lack of anti-inflammatory foods makes it harder to combat joint discomfort. Common mistakes. Many seniors unknowingly consume these foods because they assume healthy foods like full-fat dairy or fried potatoes are harmless. They're unaware that tomatoes or bell peppers can trigger inflammation in some people. They opt for convenient foods like white bread, overlooking anti-inflammatory options like quinoa. These 10 foods need to be identified and replaced. Let's explore each culprit and how to swap them out. The list of 10 foods worsening arthritis includes refined sugar, trans fats, full-fat dairy, red meat, fried foods, gluten, tomatoes, potatoes, bell peppers, and alcohol. Here's a detailed look at each, their impact, and better alternatives. 1. Refined sugar. Found in candies and sodas. It spikes inflammatory cytokines. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition says sugar worsens arthritis symptoms by 20%. Replace with blueberries rich in antioxidants, reducing inflammation, per Harvard research. 2. Trans fats. In fried foods and packaged snacks. They fuel inflammation and joint damage. The American Heart Association notes trans fats increase inflammation by 50%. Replace with all olive oil healthy fats that cut inflammation by 20%. 3. Full-fat dairy. Whole milk and rich cheeses can trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals. Stanford University research shows full-fat dairy increases joint pain in 10% of arthritis sufferers. Replace with unsweetened Greek yogurt packed with probiotics, supporting digestion and reducing inflammation. 4. Red meat. Beef and pork, high in saturated fats, boost inflammation. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition says red meat worsens arthritis symptoms by 15%. Replace with salmon rich in omega-3s, reducing inflammation by 25%, per the American Heart Association. 5. Fried foods. French fries and fried chicken contain trans fats and omega-6 oils that spark inflammation. The American Nutrition Institute says fried foods increase inflammation by 10%. Replace with steamed broccoli loaded with sulforaphane, reducing inflammation and protecting joints. 6. Gluten. Found in white bread and pasta. It can trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals. Johns Hopkins University research shows gluten worsens arthritis in 5 to 10% of seniors. Replace with the quinoa fiber-rich, non-inflammatory, and digestion-friendly. 7. Tomatoes. Contain solanine, which may trigger inflammation in those sensitive to nightshades. Arthritis Research Journal notes tomatoes increase joint pain in 10% of arthritis patients. Replace with kale rich in vitamin K, reducing inflammation by 20%. 8. Tomatoes. Also a nightshade. They can spark inflammation in sensitive people. Tufts University research says potatoes increase inflammation by 5 to 10%. Replace with sweet potatoes high in fiber and vitamin A, supporting digestion and reducing inflammation. 9. Bell peppers. Contain solanine, potentially worsening arthritis in sensitive individuals. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes bell peppers trigger inflammation in 10% of seniors. Replace with cucumber low-calorie, fiber-rich, and inflammation-free. 10. Alcohol. Excessive drinking increases inflammation and joint damage. The American Medical Association says alcohol worsens arthritis symptoms by 15%. Replace with a green tea packed with EGCG antioxidants, reducing inflammation by 20%. These foods may quietly worsen arthritis, but their replacements can ease pain and boost health. Now, let's see how to adjust your diet to protect your joints. You don't need to be a culinary expert to transform your diet. Simply cut back on inflammation-triggering foods and embrace these alternatives with easy, breezy, delicious ideas. Here are 3 meal ideas perfect for seniors. Breakfast blueberry chia smoothie. Recipe: 1 cup blueberries, antioxidant rich. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, omega-3, fiber. 1 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt probiotics, anti-inflammatory. 1/2 cup almond milk. 1 teaspoon olive oil drizzle. How to make: blend all ingredients for about 1 minute. Pour into a glass. Enjoy as breakfast or a snack. Benefits: blueberries and chia seeds reduce inflammation, supporting joints. Greek yogurt and olive oil aid digestion and heart health. Margaret, 65, from Portland, struggled with joint pain and morning stiffness. After swapping pastries for this smoothie 5 days a week for 6 weeks, she felt more mobile and less achy. Lunch quinoa and kale bowl. Recipe: 1/2 cup quinoa, fiber-rich, gluten-free. 1 cup kale, anti-inflammatory. 1/2 cup steamed broccoli, antioxidants. 1/2 cup sliced cucumber, low-calorie, non-inflammatory. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. How to make: cook quinoa. Steam broccoli, toss with kale and cucumber. Drizzle with oil and lemon. Serve warm or cold. Benefits: quinoa and kale reduce inflammation, supporting joints. Broccoli and cucumber protect cartilage and digestion. Cook quinoa in bulk and store for quick meals all week. Dinner baked salmon with sweet potato. Recipe: 1 salmon fillet, omega-3s. 1 sweet potato fiber, vitamin A. 1 cup green tea, antioxidants. Drizzle with olive oil. How to make: bake salmon at 350 for 15 minutes. Bake sweet potato, slice, and drizzle with olive oil. Pair with green tea. Benefits: salmon and olive oil reduce inflammation, protecting joints. Sweet potato and green tea aid digestion and ease pain. Use canned salmon for a budget-friendly option. These dishes are simple, affordable, and nutrient-packed to help you ease joint pain. Try one this week and feel the difference. Food is the foundation, but pairing it with healthy habits amplifies the benefits. Here's how to optimize your joint health. Supplement smartly. Omega-3, 1,000 milligrams daily if not eating fish, reducing inflammation and joint pain, per the American Heart Association. Vitamin D, 801,000 IU daily per NIH, with fatty foods like olive oil to support bones. How to do it: take with breakfast. Get 15 minutes of morning sun, 8 to 10 a.m. Consult your doctor if you're on medications. 8-minute joint mobility routine. To improve circulation and reduce joint pain, deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat 5 times. Gentle stretches rotate shoulders and ankles. 10 circles each side. Walk in place 4 minutes. Moderate pace. James, 67, from Phoenix, battled joint pain and stiffness. After doing this routine and swapping red meat for salmon weekly, he moved easier and felt less pain. Do this after a meal with soft music for added joy. Let me tell you about Linda, 64, from Chicago, Illinois. Linda struggled with joint pain, morning stiffness, and fatigue from arthritis. She thought it was an inevitable part of aging. Her diet was heavy with white bread, full-fat cheese, and red meat, fueling inflammation. After a concerning health checkup, Linda resolved to change. She started swapping pastries for a blueberry chia smoothie 5 times a week, eating quinoa kale bowls for lunch 3 times a week, replacing red meat with baked salmon and sweet potato twice a week, taking omega-3 vitamin D, doing the 8-minute routine daily. After 8 weeks, her joint pain eased significantly, allowing smoother movement. Her energy rose, inflammation dropped, and her mood lifted. She joined a community yoga class, glowing with joy and new connections. Linda's story proves avoiding inflammatory foods and choosing better alternatives can transform your life. Ready to revamp your diet? Here are 10 quick tips. 1. Avoid refined sugar. Swap for fresh or frozen blueberries. 2. Avoid trans fats. Use olive oil for salads and cooking. 3. Avoid full-fat dairy. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt. 4. Avoid red meat. Opt for salmon or lentils. 5. Avoid fried foods. Steam broccoli or sweet potatoes. 6. Avoid gluten. Pick quinoa or brown rice. 7. Avoid tomatoes. Use kale or spinach instead. 8. Avoid potatoes. Go for baked sweet potatoes. 9. Avoid bell peppers. Add cucumber to salads. 10. Avoid alcohol. Sip green tea to reduce inflammation. Try a joint-soothing bowl with quinoa, kale, broccoli, and a drizzle of olive oil. Start with 1 tip this week. Today, we uncovered 10 foods to avoid from refined sugar to alcohol and their replacements to ease arthritis, boost joint health, and restore energy. They're not just nutrition, they're your key to a freer, more comfortable life. Joint health is within reach. A blueberry smoothie, a quinoa bowl, or a salmon dish each week can change everything. Start small, like swapping white bread for quinoa, and build from there. Your golden years are your chance to live fully, and you deserve flexible joints and a confident spirit. Thank you for watching. If these tips inspired you, please like and share to help other seniors thrive. Subscribe to Bon Elderly Wisdom for more practical health videos daily. The free ebook collection link with vegan recipes, nutrition guides, first aid, and herbal remedies is pinned in the description. Download, save, and share with loved ones. I'd love to hear your story. Which food will you avoid? Any health challenges I can help with? Drop your thoughts in the comments so we can live healthier, more confident together. Check out more videos in our playlist or related videos on the screen. This is general health information, not a substitute for professional medical advice. Thank you, and see you in the next video.